How to add birthday in OneXBet app account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to add birthday into your account, you need to go to your account settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Once you are in the menu page, at the top left corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. Next up, you need to tap on this Enter Details option at the top. From here, you can edit your profile informations. In order to add birthday, here you can see Date of Birth option. Tap on it. You can select your birthday date over here. Select the year. Select the exact date. Once you are done, you can tap on this OK button. You can fill out other information too if you want to. Once you are done, in order to save these details, you can tap on this Save option at the bottom. And there you go. That's how you can easily add your birthday into your OneXBet app account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.